Hey there! Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind and looking for a way to make money without all the effort? Well, I've got great news for you. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that can earn you $7 every single hour, even while you're doing something else. No, I'm not kidding. With just a few easy steps, you can set up a process that allows you to make money effortlessly. All you need is a bit of creativity and some spare time. We'll use free tools and platforms that anyone can access, so no special skills required. Imagine getting paid while you watch TV or scroll through social media. Sounds amazing, right? So if you want to start earning without breaking a sweat, stick around and let me show you exactly how it's done. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Step 1. Designing with Canva. Now let's dive into Step 1. The first thing we need is a simple tool to create designs. We'll use Canva, a free and super easy to use design tool. You don't need any special skills or experience to use Canva, which makes it perfect for beginners like you and me. Head over to canva.com and sign up if you haven't already done so. It's completely free and you can use it to create any type of design. Once you've signed up, go to the custom size option. We'll create a design that's 12 inches by 16 inches, perfect for wall art. Now, for this video, we're going to focus on motivational and inspirational quotes. These designs are super popular with entrepreneurs and business owners, and they're easy to make. But here's the trick. You need original quotes, not something already copyrighted. This is where you can use ChatGPT or any other AI to generate unique quotes. Just ask for short, motivational quotes for entrepreneurs, and you'll get a list of quotes you can use for your design. Next, copy one of those quotes and head back to Canva. Select the Text option and click Add a Heading. Paste the quote and then start customizing it. I recommend using the Montserrat font because it looks professional and clean. You'll also want to make sure each word in your quote starts with a capital letter. This makes it stand out more and looks better in a framed print. Now, adjust the text size and place it neatly in the center of the frame. Make sure the text fits well and is easy to read. You can play around with colors, but keeping it simple often works best. Repeat this process to create as many quote designs as you like. Once your design looks good, click the download button in the top right corner. Step 2. Introducing print on demand with Gelato. Now that you've got your designs, it's time to make money with them. This is where we introduce Gelato, a print-on-demand platform. If you've never heard of print on demand, it's a business model where you create a design, upload it to a product, and when someone buys that product, the company prints and ships it for you. You don't have to keep any stock or handle any shipping. It's all done for you. Gelato is a great platform for this because it's free to sign up, and they have fulfillment centers all around the world. That means they can ship your products quickly, no matter where your customers are. To get started, go to gelato.com and sign up for an account. Once you're signed up, go to the product catalog. Gelato has tons of items you can customize, like clothings, tote bags, phone cases, and mugs. But for this video, we're going to focus on wall art, especially framed posters. Wall art is a huge market, especially for motivational quotes. People love to hang these types of prints in their offices or home for daily inspiration. Choose the wall art section, then select framed posters. For the size, pick 12 x 16 inches since it's a popular option for most homes and offices. Once you've set your preferences, click the Start Designing button. This is where you'll upload the quote designs you made in Canva. Simply click the frame or choose File and choose the design you saved earlier. Gelato will automatically fit your design into the frame. You can adjust it slightly to make sure it looks perfect, then hit Preview to see how it will appear once printed. If you're happy with it, you can save this design and get it ready to sell. Now, repeat this for each quote design you created. Once everything is set, you're ready to start selling. Step 3. Setting up your online store. Now that you've got your designs ready, let's move on to setting up your online store. This is where your passive income will start flowing. We'll use platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even Wix to sell our products. Etsy is one of the most popular platforms for selling handmade or custom products like wall art. It's beginner-friendly and already has millions of customers looking for unique items. If Etsy is available in your country, I highly recommend starting there. Just head over to Etsy.com and sign up for a seller account. Follow the steps to set up your shop by entering your store's name and adding your payment info. Once that's done, you can start listing your products. If Etsy isn't available where you are, don't worry. You can also use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, or Squarespace. These websites allow you to create your own online store where you can list your products. You can even connect these stores to Gelato, so whenever a customer buys one of your framed quotes, Gelato will handle the printing and shipping for you. To set this up, go to your Gelato account and click on Stores from the menu. Here, you can link your Etsy shop or any other platform you decide to use. Once your store is connected, Gelato will automatically receive any orders that come in and process them for you. All you have to do is sit back and collect your earnings. Once your products are listed and your store is live, start promoting them. Share your shop on social media or with friends and family. The more eyes on your shop, the better chance you have to make sales and earn that $7 per hour in passive income. Why motivational quotes sell so well? Motivational quotes are more than just words. They inspire action. This is why they sell so well, especially as wall art. People love to decorate their homes or offices with inspiring messages that keep them motivated throughout the day. Entrepreneurs and business owners in particular are always looking for ways to stay driven, and having a quote hanging on their walls helps them stay focused on their goals. Another reason these quotes are so popular is that they're affordable and easy to customize. Since they're digital prints, you don't have to worry about inventory or high production costs. Customers get something they love, and you get a simple, low-cost product to sell. Marketing and selling your products. Creating awesome designs is just half the battle. Now you need to let people know about them. The good news is there are plenty of free and simple ways to market your products. Start by sharing your store link on your social media platforms. Post your designs on Facebook, Instagram, or even Pinterest, where people are always searching for inspiring ideas. Another great idea is to ask friends and family to share your shop with their networks. Word of mouth can really help bring in those first few sales. You can also try using Etsy's built-in advertising system or partnering with influencers to promote your store. The more people who see your products, the more likely you'll make sales. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you're on your way to earning $7 every hour in passive income. Setting up a print-on-demand business with motivational quotes is an easy, low-cost way to start making money online. Once everything is in place, your products will sell automatically while you sit back and collect the cash. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you found this video useful, I've got a little gem waiting for you right on the screen. It's like finding a hidden treasure in the world of making money online. Just click on it, and let's embark on another adventure together. Trust me, it's going to be a journey worth every second of your time.